Aquaman powerwave coming 2020.
Well, I don't know if you can see with the camera, but there's only slight footers, and there's a gap right there in the center, which the water will be filled later, and the queue line. So I'm pretty sure the entrance for the ride will be right here, where it used to start for the bridge. If I'm wrong, I think I'm right though, because I'm pretty sure this is going to be where the line goes under the tracks, and the other side will be where the first drop is, and this is the second drop. It looks like they're doing footers over there. There's no tracks, but there's only footers. So we'll see what happens. If you can see, there's footers over there. There's a mountain over there where they're digging up the ground for the pool to fit the area where the water will go in. Only supports in there. If you can see, there's some footers over there. All the way down, there's some footers.
What is footers?
The footers will put up the ride, and it will be towering above all the way up to the top. Judging by the picture of the ride, it looks like the queue line is gonna be right here, and that's right in front of Justice League. So it'll be right there in front of that Coca-Cola stand. And you will walk under the track, curving around where the original queue line of Aquaman was, and the exit for the ride will be right here. Either right here or right there by the Dippin' Dot stand where the original Aquaman entrance was. But I think, judging by the way this is, the exit will be right here. Right here. This will be the exit, and the entrance will probably be over there or over there by Pandemonium. Right here on the right of Pandemonium, or that could be the splash zone, because like I said in the picture, you see the entrance for Aquaman, there's Justice League, and there's the entrance. Therefore, that means that it's over there by the Coca-Cola stand, and the exit for the ride is over here by the corner, and this is Studio 6. So the exit's gonna be right there where these people are standing. So yeah, I'm really excited about Aquaman coming in 2020. Judging by the water, like where its location, there will be no splash zone. So I guess you have to assume that the water's gonna go like this, and then it will land right here in this area over there, instead of hitting Pandemonium.
Hey,
What's really, really weird is that Pandemonium's line is not here anywhere in the map. The queue line is not there. It's funny. Unless they move the queue line. What if they move the queue line? See, that's where they're filling up the water, and that's where the footers are, if you can see that. And then, as you can tell, this area will be the main queue line, where it says right there, s'more stop, and where the dryer is, that has to be the queue line. That'll probably be the queue line. It will go under the track, and the exit will be on the other side where Studio 6 is. So that's cool. Can't wait. I hope they do like a retheme for this ride. Maybe change it to a cyborg, so fit with the area. You have Justice League, you have Aquaman, DC, and then suddenly Pandemonium, which so hopefully they change it. Construction update on Aquaman Powerwave. You can see the footers, if you can, right there, brackets behind Pandemonium. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 footers, then a mountain of things, and then there's some supports that are trying to go vertical right there in the corner. So little blue pipe. I guess the rest of the track will be applied later, but they should probably be going vertical soon, because they're already out of that area right over there. That area is where the water will splash by. I wonder if it actually will hit Pandemonium while it arrives. But either way, I'm excited to see Aquaman Powerwave coming in 2020.